Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a Halloween surprise from my friend Jana, and she is on Instagram. I'll leave her information linked down below. So here's a cute pumpkin. I think that this is probably for my daughter. I'll just take everything out and let you have a look at everything that's inside. Just got my name on that one. Let's put things here. Oh, look at how pretty all of this wrapping is. Super cute. Looks like some fun paper crafty things. Go there. This box really has been through the ringer. I don't know what went on with this box, but it was really witch's brew. That's super funny. This is the perfect timing that it came literally just before Halloween. I hope that the present that I sent to her arrives on time as well. There's so much fun stuff in here. Jana actually was the first person that I have sent a true Happy Mail swap to and from, and it was fun to be able to send some Halloween things. I actually was really enjoying working with Halloween themed products, because that's something completely new, and I absolutely adore these bells. They're super fun. I could hear something rattling around, and I actually was almost worried that something broke, because this looked like, my daughter pointed out, this looked like it was something spilled. I thought, oh gosh, I hope it didn't spill from the inside. So it looks like everything has survived the journey safely. So that is good. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute. Now this must have been wrapped around here, because it is a little Starbucks charm, and that is super cute, but it has like slipped off. So look at that little Starbucks mug. Oh, and it's even got my name on it. How clever is that? Oh yeah, see, there's the little glue dot that was supposed to keep that on there. I got you. And that's super cute. I have a Halloween shirt from Jana that she sent me last year, and I am going to wear that for Halloween. So I'm going to pass this one off to my daughter so she can open it up. We have daughters who are the same age, so they are pen pals as well, and they send each other little gifts back and forth also. Okay, let's start with this embellishment box. Super cute. One of my favorite things to get. The last time Jana sent me this amazing mix of sparkles here. And look I've used almost the entire thing up. I love to get sequins. I made these little shaker pockets, and it was so easy to make these shaker pockets because she had given me the mix. So I was really grateful for that, and let's see what she has sent us this year. What is this fun little charm on the side here? Oh, look at that bat. Super cute. Eek. So much fun. I love getting these clips. It looks like she has painted them. Really neat. Some fun skeletons, some wood skeleton pumpkins, and bats. See, now I can make more shakers next year with all these fun little sequins that she sends me. She always comes up with the best things. And then there's a button mix here. And these fun... Oh, and this is so good. I was just making some little... this keeps sticking to me. These little witches keep flying over. I was just making some really cute little treat boxes, and I need these clips, and I didn't have any like Halloween colors, so now I do. That is really great. And she's got super cute little owl on there. I actually love owls. They're one of my favorite things. And she sent me these really cute puffy stickers, double toil and trouble. She's decorated the top there. You can hear my daughter opening her bag in the background. And all these fun little stickers. One of them is coming off already, and I actually really like the way that this looks. And I'm working on some Halloween stuff, and I think I'm going to use these to decorate with. That's super cute. Let's look and see what's in this adorable little trick-or-treat bag. I love this bag. Super cute. I love it with all the stars and everything on it. Oh, yay! Some more socks. That's another thing she gave me last year, and I have worn this year. So there's a pair of socks. Keep it here. Let's see what's inside of here. Let's see. Oh, some tea. Pumpkin spice. Wow. Oh, that's good. I really like the flavor of pumpkin spice, and I don't drink coffee, so a pumpkin spice tea is perfect. Let's look and see what's in here. Oh, I know what this is. So we have both been inspired by Serena B to make these little folios, and it looks like she has made me a Halloween one. And it's filled with all sorts of fun tickets and ephemera. So cute, Jana. Made with love stickers. Aw. That's cute. I've seen this before. Trying to remember which collection that one's from. Anyways, lots of fun Halloween collections. I love these little Braddies, these little candy Brads. So cute. Oh, what's in here? Let's see. Oh, here, I'm going to have to wreck the bag. It's got washi tape. That should come off very easily. Or not. Anyway, she's taped it and put washi tape on it. I'm wrecking the nice package. I think it looks like to get in here better. I guess there's no way around it. Just gonna have to wreck the... I love this little sparkly spooky on there. Ooh, cute. Love notebooks. Trick or treat, spooktacular. Really cute. These are fun. Harvest collection. Oh, Belgian chocolates. Wow. Those look so neat. I'm sure they're as delicious as they look. Okay. Let's cut the top off of this one. Get it stapled nicely. Ooh, some pretty purple sparkly ribbon. And I guess just put my name on here. So cute. This is fun. I think I'm going to have to give this to my other daughter. A Pez dispenser with lemon candy, because she was just making almost her own Pez dispenser without even realizing it. She had fashioned together a couple of toys and put candies in them, and I was thinking, you basically made a Pez dispenser, but I don't think she even knows what a Pez dispenser is, so that's cute. Look at that pumpkin. Eek! I love all these little charms that she's got on everything. Very, very cute. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this pocket letter. So pretty. Oh, I love this page. Something wicked. October. Love that. Very pretty. I can reuse these little cards in like a scrapbook if I wanted to take them out of here. But I've been keeping all of the pocket letters that she has sent me in in a binder. Look at these puffy stickers. Super cute. Some little rat stickers over here. Very sweet. Oh my gosh, there's just so many things. It just keeps going on and on. These are adorable. Admitted he felt creepy. Those are cute little picks. I can use those for something fun for Halloween. And a little skincare peel-off mask. Oh, the letters have come off of this. My daughter is showing me the things that she got from her bag with a big smile. Some cute little splendor supplies. Very cute, and little notebooks. Want me to show them, Jana? Here's what was in her bag. Reach for the stars. Super cute little notebooks. Love those. And then there were stickers and stamps that came with them too. These are really fun, sweet kawaii design. Forgot some of those that I use. And these adorable little stamps. You can see what they look like there. It's a whole little set. Very cute. Okay. And I got distracted. I think I took, oh yeah, I took these out of here. Ooh, little scoops. Well, that's neat. They're probably like candy scoops or something, but they would be great for sequins. Little sequin scoops. Little mixes. Fun. And then I think this one's the last one. So many fun things. So many fun packages. Nice to get a treat in the mail. I've got some stamps too. So the Wicked has fallen off of here, but she had a really cute design. Ghost of the Departed. Oh, Halloween stamps. Have a perfect Halloween. Let's see if we can put this under something white that you can see better. Super cute little stamps with pumpkins. Best wishes to you. That's funny. I'm batty about you. Perfect Halloween. So super cute. Well, thank you so much to Jana and her daughter. I really appreciate this fun surprise right in time for Halloween. And I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.